Welcome! If you've ever dreamed of sharing your ideas, talents, or stories with the world, starting a YouTube channel is a fantastic way to do it. In this video, we'll walk you through every step you need to launch your own channel and set yourself up for growth. Whether you're passionate about gaming, education, vlogging, or anything in between, YouTube offers a platform for everyone. We'll begin by covering the basics of setting up your channel, then move on to content creation, branding, and strategies to attract and retain viewers. Let's get started on your YouTube journey together. Before you even create your channel, it's important to define your purpose. Ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Is it to educate, entertain, inspire, or simply share your life? Having a clear purpose will guide your content decisions and help you connect with your audience. Take some time to write down your goals and the topics you're passionate about. This clarity will keep you motivated and focused as you begin your YouTube journey. Choosing a niche is one of the most important steps in starting a successful YouTube channel. Your niche is the specific topic or area you'll focus on, such as tech reviews, cooking, travel, or personal finance. A well-defined niche helps you attract a dedicated audience and stand out from the crowd. Think about what you love, what you're good at, and what people are searching for. The sweet spot is where your interests and audience demand meet. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates. Spend some time researching who your ideal viewers are. What are their interests? What problems do they want solved? What kind of videos do they watch? Use YouTube search, forums, and social media to gather insights. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to meet their needs and keep them coming back for more. Now it's time to set up your YouTube channel. Sign into YouTube with your Google account, click on your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Add a profile picture and banner that represent your brand. Fill out your channel description with keywords related to your content. This helps viewers understand what your channel is about and improves your discoverability. Branding is more than just a logo, it's the overall impression you leave on your viewers. Choose consistent colors, fonts, and imagery that reflect your channel's personality. Your branding should be visible in your channel, art, thumbnails, and even your video style. Strong branding helps you look professional and makes your channel memorable. Think about how you want viewers to feel when they visit your channel and let that guide your branding choices. A content plan keeps you organized and ensures you always have ideas for new videos. Start by brainstorming topics that fit your niche and audience. Plan your upload schedule, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Consistency is key. Use a calendar or spreadsheet to map out your video ideas and deadlines. This will help you stay on track and avoid last-minute stress. You don't need expensive gear to start a YouTube channel. Many successful creators began with just a smartphone and natural light. However, good audio quality is important, so consider investing in a basic microphone. As you grow, you can upgrade your camera, lighting, and editing software. Remember, content quality matters more than equipment, especially when you're just starting out. Lighting and sound can make a big difference in your videos. Use natural light from a window or affordable LED lights to brighten your shots. For sound, record in a quiet space and use a microphone if possible. Avoid echo and background noise. Clear visuals and crisp audio help keep viewers engaged and make your videos look more professional. It's time to film your first video. Start with a simple introduction. Tell viewers who you are, what your channel is about, and what they can expect. Don't worry about being perfect. Authenticity is more important than flawless delivery. Practice speaking clearly and looking into the camera. Remember, your first video is just the beginning, and you'll improve with each one you make. Editing brings your video to life. Use free or affordable editing software to cut out mistakes, add music, and include text or graphics. Keep your edits simple and focus on telling a clear story. Add transitions and effects sparingly; too many can be distracting. As you gain experience, you'll develop your own editing style that matches your channel's vibe. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so make them eye-catching and relevant. Use bright colors, bold text, and clear images that represent your video's content. Consistent thumbnail style helps build your brand and makes your videos recognizable. You can use free design tools to create professional-looking thumbnails, even if you're not a graphic designer. Your video title should be clear, descriptive, and include keywords people are searching for. Avoid clickbait. Make sure your title accurately reflects your content. Good titles help your videos show up in search results and attract viewers. Spend time brainstorming different options and choose the one that best represents your video. A well-written video description helps viewers understand your content and improves your video's discoverability. Include a brief summary, relevant keywords, and links to your social media or website. You can also add timestamps for different sections of your video. The first few lines are especially important, as they appear in search results and previews. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and recommend it to the right audience. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your topic. Include your main keywords, channel name, and variations of your video title. Don't overdo it. Focus on quality over quantity. Effective tagging can boost your video's visibility and reach. Once your video is ready, it's time to publish. Double-check your title, description, tags, and thumbnail. Choose the right privacy setting: public, unlisted, or private. Set your video to premiere if you want to build excitement. After publishing, share your video on social media and with friends to start building momentum. Promotion is key to growing your channel. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join online communities related to your niche and participate genuinely. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Remember, building a community takes time, so focus on providing value and being authentic. Engagement is the heart of YouTube growth. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. Building relationships with your audience creates loyalty and increases the chances they'll return for more. Be genuine and approachable. People love connecting with real creators. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool for understanding how your videos are performing. Track metrics like views, watch time, audience retention, and subscriber growth. Look for patterns: what types of videos perform best. Use this data to refine your content strategy and make informed decisions about future videos. Feedback from viewers is invaluable for growth. Pay attention to comments, likes, and dislikes to understand what your audience enjoys. Don't take criticism personally. Use it as an opportunity to improve. Ask for suggestions and be open to trying new ideas. Continuous improvement is the key to long-term success. Consistency is one of the most important factors in growing a YouTube channel. Stick to your upload schedule as much as possible, even if it means starting with fewer videos. Consistent uploads help build trust with your audience and signal to YouTube that you're an active creator. Over time, this can lead to more recommendations and higher growth. Study successful channels in your niche to learn what works. Analyze their video topics, titles, thumbnails, and engagement strategies. Don't copy, use their success as inspiration to develop your own unique approach. Understanding the competition helps you identify gaps in the market and opportunities to stand out. Search engine optimization, SEO, helps your videos get discovered. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Research what people are searching for in your niche and tailor your content accordingly. The better your SEO, the more likely your videos are to appear in search results and suggested videos. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to find related content. Playlists increase watch time by encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos in a row. Group videos by topic, series, or theme, and add clear titles and descriptions. Well-organized playlists make your channel look professional and user-friendly. A channel trailer is a short video that introduces new visitors to your channel. Highlight what your channel is about, what viewers can expect, and why they should subscribe. Keep it concise and engaging. A great trailer can turn curious visitors into loyal subscribers. Customize your channel layout to make it easy for viewers to find your best content. Feature your most popular videos, playlists, and channel trailer on your homepage. Organize sections by topic or series. A well-structured layout helps new visitors quickly understand what your channel offers. Your channel's branding elements include your logo, banner, and watermark. These visuals should be consistent with your overall brand and help viewers recognize your content instantly. Update your branding as your channel evolves, but keep your core identity intact. Strong branding builds trust and loyalty among your audience. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow your channel. Partner with creators in your niche for joint videos, interviews, or challenges. Collaborations introduce your channel to new audiences and can lead to lasting friendships. Always approach collaborations with a spirit of mutual benefit and respect. Negative feedback is inevitable, but it's important not to let it discourage you. Focus on constructive criticism and ignore hateful or unhelpful comments. Use feedback to improve your content and grow as a creator. Remember, every successful YouTuber has faced criticism. What matters is how you respond. Once your channel meets YouTube's requirements, you can apply for monetization and start earning money from ads, memberships, and more. Focus on building your audience and creating valuable content first. Monetization is a milestone, but it's not the only measure of success. Stay patient and keep improving your channel. Beyond ads, there are many ways to earn money on YouTube. Explore options like channel memberships, merchandise, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Diversifying your income streams can make your channel more sustainable and rewarding. Always disclose partnerships and stay true to your audience. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs, but staying motivated is key. Celebrate small wins, set achievable goals, and remind yourself why you started. Connect with other creators for support and inspiration. Persistence pays off in the long run. It's easy to get overwhelmed when creating content regularly. To avoid burnout, set boundaries and take breaks when needed. Plan your content in advance and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your channel's growth. A healthy creator makes better content. YouTube is always evolving, and staying up to date with trends can help your channel grow. Watch what's popular in your niche and experiment with trending topics or format. However, stay true to your brand and only follow trends that fit your channel's identity. Adapt, but don't lose your unique voice. Successful YouTubers are always learning. Improve your skills in filming, editing, storytelling, and marketing. Take advantage of free resources like online tutorials, courses, and forums. The more you learn, the better your content will become, and the more your channel will grow. YouTube's algorithm can change at any time, affecting how your videos are recommended. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Stay informed about updates, and be ready to adapt your strategy. Flexibility and resilience are essential for long-term success. Protect your videos by understanding copyright rules and using only content you have the rights to. Avoid using copyrighted music or footage without permission. Use YouTube's copyright tools to manage your content and respond to claims. Protecting your work ensures your channel stays in good standing. A strong community is the foundation of a successful channel. Foster a positive environment by encouraging respectful discussion and supporting your viewers. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, or community posts to connect with your audience. A loyal community will support your channel through ups and downs. Dive deeper into YouTube analytics to uncover growth opportunities. Look at traffic sources, audience demographics, and watch time patterns. Identify which videos attract new subscribers and which keep viewers engaged. Use these insights to refine your content and grow your channel strategically. Growth on YouTube takes time, and it's normal to face challenges along the way. Set realistic expectations and focus on steady progress rather than overnight success. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small, and remember that every creator's journey is unique. Patience and perseverance are your best allies. Authenticity is what sets you apart on YouTube. Be yourself, share your unique perspective, and don't try to imitate others. Viewers appreciate honesty and realness. Stay true to your values and let your personality shine through in every video. Authentic creators build the strongest connections with their audience. Every milestone, your first subscriber, your first 100 views, or your first viral video is worth celebrating. Share your achievements with your audience and thank them for their support. Celebrating together strengthens your community and motivates you to keep going. As your channel grows, start thinking about long-term goals. Do you want to turn YouTube into a full-time career, launch a business, or use your platform for a cause? Set new goals and keep challenging yourself. The possibilities are endless when you stay committed and keep learning. Let's recap what we've covered. Defining your purpose, choosing a niche, setting up your channel, creating content, optimizing for growth, and building a community. Starting a YouTube channel is a journey filled with learning and growth. Take the first step today, and remember, every big creator started with 0 subscribers. Your story is just beginning. No matter where you are in your YouTube journey, remember that persistence, passion, and authenticity are your greatest assets. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep sharing your voice with the world. The YouTube community is waiting for your unique contribution. Good luck, and see you on the platform.